Hello everyone, I'm Lavina, Assistant Professor, St. Anne's College of Education, Mangaluru. My previous video was on concept and characteristics of models of teaching. Today in this video, I'll deal with functions and fundamental elements of models of teaching. Functions of models of teaching. The four major functions of models of teaching are designing of the curriculum or course of study, development and selection of instructional material, guiding the teacher's activity in the teaching learning process, improving teaching. Let us see one by one. First, the development of curriculum or designing of curriculum. A model of teaching helps in the development of curriculum for different classes at different levels of education. Specification of instructional material. Model of teaching specifies in detail the different types of instructional material which are to be used by the teacher to bring desirable changes in the personality of the learner. Guidance function. A model of teaching serves as a useful purpose of providing in definite term what the teacher has to do. He has a comprehensive design of instruction with him through which he can achieve the objective of the course. Teaching becomes scientific, controlled, and goal directed activity. This model provides guidance to the teacher as well as students. Improvement in teaching. A model helps the teaching learning process and improves effectiveness of teaching. Other functions are they help the teachers to select appropriate teaching learning techniques, strategies, and methods for effective utilization of teaching situation and material. It also helps to bring desirable changes in the behavior of the learner. It helps to find out ways and means for creating favorable environmental situation. Fundamental elements of models of teaching. A model has six fundamental elements: focus, syntax, principle of reaction, the social system, the support system, application system. Let us discuss one by one. Focus. Focus is the central aspect of the teaching model. Objectives of teaching and aspects of the environment generally constitute the focus of the model. Syntax. It includes the sequence of steps or activities called phases involved in the organization of the complete program of teaching. Each model has a distinct flow of phase. Principle of reaction. This element is concerned with the way a teacher should regard and respond to the activities of the student. These responses should be appropriate and selective. The social system. It provides description of the student and teacher roles and relationship and the kinds of norms that are observed and the student's behavior which is rewarded. The support system. The support system relates the additional requirements other than the usual human skill or capacities of the teacher and the facilities usually available in the ordinary classroom. This requirement refers to special skill, special audiovisual materials like film, self instructional material, visit to special places, etc. Application context. Several types of teaching models are available. Each model attempts to describe the feasibility of its use in varying contexts. Thank you.